Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Happy weekend to you. So I want you to pay close attention to this particular video and make sure you like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. Because Udele and herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers versus Harrison Gwamnishu. Many of you know Harrison Gwamnishu and you know what they stand for. You know, maybe you don't like him, maybe you are not actually, you don't care whatever he's doing. I actually understand. But there's something that happened here. Harrison Gwamnisi and the number his normal way now, some police or army, they are always in the bush trying to chase Fulani herdsmen. And not Fulani herdsmen, kidnappers, okay? Kidnappers. Because sometimes they can catch Igbo criminals. Sometimes they can go after Fulani kidnappers and all that, terrorist group and all that. Now, in Imo State, they carried out an assignment. Okay? Currently, Udele made a video, was very, very angry, very, very bitter about Harrison Gwamnisi presence in Imo State. I will allow you to watch the video. As you are watching it, please pay attention to Udele's hands. The way his hands is shaking like a drunkard. As if he, maybe, I don't know. I don't want to say something, but see it for yourself. Then we can, if you have something to say, we can start from there. Pay close attention, please. Very, very, very important. I'm going to start from the beginning so you can understand everything and follow it the way it's supposed to be.
You don't dey near where goats dey lost. Dey hear me so? You don't dey near where goats dey lost. See, you see this your nonsense, this your rubbish, this your Nollywood movie you are acting. If you can't restrict it to Gwamnishu or Delta State, say you don't cast for that side. You cast for those states. Now I don't dey carry and dey go across the Niger. I don't know why you stop to dey go Anambra. Maybe na since you came there, we don't make out time to face in states. Now na for Imo State you don't carry your rubbish dey come. But I tell you, na there you go, na there own go finish. I don't know the people where they tell you what you dey do or send you where they go. If you go across Niger, go at their states. Now that place they tolerate all this your nonsense, all this your rubbish fake Fulani herdsmen nonsense. Now I'm referring to this operation that you posted. Operation will never finish. You don't run, come post. Next time back to safety. We men still dey inside bush. We men still dey inside bush. You don't come right, say na Fulani herdsmen. The people where they arrest so far, where they were they were no go mention yet. Waiting be the identity. Waiting be the ethnic composition of the people where they arrest so far,
Now, for those of you that will say, kind of pause, I did not notice his head. I'm gonna take it back again a little bit here and watch, please. Watch. His
the
finger.
people where they arrest so far, where they were they
Don't
were
worry.
no go mention
Don't worry.
yet.
Watch. You see?
Waiting be the identity.
So
Wait.
his finger is just dangling, like Oye highly addicted to alcohol, or maybe have some problem with his nerves. Listen, just hear
Waiting be the
him.
ethnic composition of the people where they arrest so far,
You see.
Operation will never finish. You don't come, you don't dey write for your video. This thing where you write, you think say you see what you write. Say these people say na Fulani herdsmen. Would you swear to an affidavit that all the people arrested connected to that operation are all Fulani herdsmen? You didn't even tell them how much that was collected from the ransom money. People still dey inside bush. Operation will never finish. You don't run post. Next thing, you don't even dey post soldiers. Photo of soldiers. Well, I go send signal to Organa. Make him call the people where they call am when I do so. Just small picture, small uniform wey go show. They don't dey call am for phone. But why they no call am for this one? Make we know the people wey dey orchestrate this nonsense. Those soldiers wey you see, they know say na my guys. The policemen will follow go that job, three na from that community. And you think say only you get access to them? To come here, they promote the same lies. And people, I don't know whether I see the video from Jamaica. Somebody posted for our group. And one way they say the idiot where they call gentle the Yahoo fool where they hide inside bush, where they no born where to waka daytime for outside. Except inside those who keep the village where they hide inside bush, as bush meets where in be. You know, ask why all of them they too disturbed to come they do like say they want debunk waiting they obvious. They don't catch some of them for Igbo people. This one, northern as them, Igbo people down. And that person go come there inside that bush where the community no know. See how then they run kitikata. They run around to cover their track. You know, show you say, na guilty conscience, they worry them. Being at the school of nursing girl waiting by. And you now, Harris and Gwamnishu, come here, come they talk rubbish. They write nonsense. See, respect yourself. You know, maybe I will no get clash. Oh. No use my Imo State play. They hear me. Consider this one your last warning. Next time we go try, go see me for that way. Now me and you go do a man to man. I don't know the people will call you, come there. Go to your state or you go at their states. Now we are in the tolerate this nonsense. No carry that rubbish come Imo State too. Now you go get our own smash. Oh. Carry your cash activism. Go somewhere else. You know go work for you for Imo State. You dey hear me? Consider this one your final warning. I no go talk to you again. Next thing we go see in action, I dey tell you. Make I do self go send signal to Oga. No who bring you there. One come now, Abi they don't send you come. Now they don't send you now, Abi. We people don't send you. We never hear you condemn in bingos and what they do for Southeast. Now to run come here, when they talk rubbish, they help them, they spread.
Right, so you have heard him, and I want you to understand something, because we are all Igbos, right? And we have our own way to find out the truth and what is going on. So Harrison has already responded to that. He have made a video about a kind of a response to what Udele said here. But before then, in Udele's video, there's something happened there. This particular video, people, of course, somehow responded to him on his own comment section. So we are going to try our best to see if you can read some comments. Normally we don't do this, right? And there's a reason why we have to do it on this one. And I am trying to see how I can expand the comment, or like to zoom it a little bit so that it will be readable for everybody that care to know. So we may not be able to present it, in other way than this. Okay. Now this is his comment section. In this his comment section, I will try my best to. Okay, it's not all. Now let's scroll down here. Somebody, Oyeka Iwu said, "See as this guy hands the check, that the check, I believe, he just reduce. See as his hand is shaking. Just like what I told you. He just reduce. He said he just reduce hand from smoke and alcohol. Okay, I don't think it's about alcohol. Last time he said he's not talking alcohol, that he's taking fruit juice and all that, which You can only hear that from a Muslim new in a kind of a fresh converter, someone who just converted to Islam. Florence Chidimma, his comment said, "My friend, you go and warm eba and chop. Go and warm eba and chop. Now I have started believing in gentle, negative. Now I have started believing in gentle." This guy made his own comment. Something is fishing in Imo State. Another person said, maybe Harrison, they spoil him shopping. You know what I mean? Like Harrison is doing his business. Listen, I don't want to say something. I want to hear from other people. Okay. Now somebody said, clash. Let's see how it goes. Allow him to operate as you did. I think I think is one Nigeria with Amo. That's Eze Fidelis Kelechi. Nollywood PP said, leave Harrison alone. Both of you are fighting for the same common good. Even if you don't like the step he is taking now. Then he replied this one because he loved this kind of thing. Hey, let me see what he replied before I go back. Then he replied to this guy. He said, what step that he will be telling such atrocious lies? I don't want to go there, but you know what he's trying to say. He's trying to say that Harrison lied, which is not true. It's not true. You see, oh my goodness. This brother that I just okay, let me see. Okay, let's continue. This means somebody said this means there is serious business going on in Imo State. Are you following? This means there's serious business going on in Imo State. Obonaya says, so you know, even finish secondary school, I don't see person way better pass. Where I better pass. I'm not coming from the local car. Nahim Bush be Bush. I don't know. Nahim Bush be that. He no one make Harrison enter his bush. Oh, okay, Nahim Bush, that's this pigeon. Nahim Bush be that. He no one Harrison enter his bush. He just don't crazy before. I see. Okay, Nahim Bush be that. Okay. Oga, go take another bonanza. People actually, suggesting that he's making money with the Fulani. So you are the one that brought Fulani people into Imo State, idiot. God will expose you. Or else daily comment here. So, and here, his response is what? Let me see what he said. Do I still have access to that? I don't think so. Facebook is crazy. Okay, he said, the corpse of your mother has buried. I don't understand this guy. Don't mind the easy. Can do to the land. Only one comment, few comments somehow is in support of Udele. Just few. In his own post, anyone defending jihadists in Igbo land will see death. Somebody warrior. Leave that a flave. Somebody say, ha. So Harrison is now overstepping boundaries. This guy don't decrease you. Harrison, he say make you leave him in Papa Bush. So the guy said, you follow they do the kidnapping and Ajuziawa. I swear Harrison don't touch his business. Another person. Your food is being taken away. Another person. This post is truly an eye-opener to me. There is more to what we know in Imo State. There is more to that. They really give this guy better money, people will let us know what we have been saying. Must we be on the opposite side all the time? How much do they pay you? Okay, a man of wisdom, please go through the Nagowon memory title, My Duty and Allegiance, and come up with your analysis as an unbiased and neutral Nigeria. Because recently you talk about the Aburi Accords that involve the two actors, Gowon and Ojukwu. Anyway, uh, the Fulani inside is talking. We know a Fulani. Another Madnagua. Oga, do your job and allow Harris to do his. These people, you don't understand that what you call his job is actually opposite of what you want. I'm not gonna go for that because I know time will come when everybody will understand what Udele is doing. Somebody said, "Smiles, he said, smiles, we are the same. Anywhere we see bandits, we clear them. You can even go to north and track them down." Anamano. Maybe Harrison wants to expose an illegal business that has been running, which he has said IBB has been tagged to them. God will vindicate ESN and IPB. God will expose the real actor of insecurity very soon. The king of the game, you be mumu, your papa. Someone aware. Smoke don't finish this one. Someone now. I'm telling you, comment is so many. Why didn't you do the work for the first time or get rest? Are you afraid he might bust on a secret? Don't worry, a day of reckoning is coming. Just leave Harrison alone for us. The Godwin said, "Chai, this guy want to take food from Jeremiah Harrison. Why? Ikechukwu Zoma, do not accuse your own people of heinous crime simply to satisfy those pushing a particular ideology and narrative." Okay, I think this comment seems like coming from Harrison, but we are going to visit Harrison page. Okay, you don't even update Nigerian about any rescue operation before now. Okay, this is another person. Obinago said, "Okay, this incident happened in part village. In part of village that I come from. I have confirmed from my village people, and there is indeed confirmed to me that all Harrison said that happened is true. Harrison has done great job, more than president. He has covered so many bandit kidnapping on rescue mission and recovered many people from the hands of this bandit. Why saying all this rubbish, or it is jealous or what? My village people has been praising this Harrison since after this job. People from the village, that are villagers, so pay attention. I'm just reading comments. Don't hold me on anything. I am pleased with his work. Now, just say he cannot be trusted with ransom money because Harrison and ransom money be like cat and fish. But he love his job though. Why Harrison the post operation when never finished? That's two people now in his favor somehow. So we can go on and on and on and on down here. I mean, people are lambasting this guy like never before. That is very interesting. So I will quickly share this with us because I know we have to maintain the time. Just like I told you that Harrison has also made a response to what Udele said. But before we read this his post, he also have a video. So let's go through the video that he made.
Gwamnishu. First, I'm from Delta State. Secondly, I'm from Imo State. Mamu Imo State. I have said it several times here that now, Mamu Imo State. Ataikeruru, Umokoroma. After that junction, if past the Assemblies of God. That's my maternal home. So how for if you tell me to go into Werena, Imo State now, I will go in and I will not ask for direction. Because my secondary school was in Imo State. I attended Atta Boys Secondary School. JS2, JS3, SS1. Before I returned back to Delta and continue from Santa Maria College, Ubuluku. So, I'm for. So I know some of you want to paint all this whole happening in the East, that they are IPOB that is doing it. That's what gives you, I don't know whether it gives you one kind of energy. He wants to criticize that these kidnappings are being carried out by IPOB. No, this one I witnessed it. I have voice recording. I had to bring in our WhatsApp people, Fulani people, to hear the conversation, and they said, no, this one not be our language. This one na Fulani language. This one go tell you, say, yes, na our own language. The victim said in the video, I have video record, I have video evidence that they are Fulani people.
To do fumigation with two of my brothers.
You are from Europe. Yes. You were coming before the
Yes.
Yes. For how many days now?
3 days.
3 days.
At Azara.
At Azara.
Okay.
God bless you. Okay. Okay, you how many days now?
A week and a day now.
A week and a day. How many were they?
They were 5 when they come.
How many rifles were they with? 2. How many AK?
AK for 7. 2.
Compassion.
AK for 7.
So, can you people please describe the way they always look? How do they dress when you sight them?
They dressed one of them where
That is a special force.
yes.
The Kaplan look like this.
Yes. Yes.
The
Yes.
Kaplan look like
Yes.
this.
Green, white,
That's
green.
the green.
Yes.
Then other people.
And then Navy people follow the leader.
And he's the leader.
Yes.
Then other people.
One thing I find out there is that daytime they will be communicating with their people. When it is 6, 7 o'clock, their people will come with the food and some AK-47s.
Do they come with those people that usually come? Are they female or male?
They are male Fulani.
Male Fulani.
Yes.
Two
And today they share this money together.
They begin to run.
This was the money paid yesterday before they
kidnap
released
another somebody yesterday.
So they share it together.
That person will kidnap know that among these people.
What of them when they kidnap
Yes,
for
sir.
road? Do I call the scheme machine?
Yeah.
You know that among these people.
No.
Go yeah. And deposit
You go to Obinze.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the person mentioned that he's going to Obinze.
You can deposit. One of them said, make him deposit. You give him account where you deposit 500,000 for him.
So that one went to Obinze.
Yes, 2 of them went to.
2 of them went to Obinze.
Yes.
You heard when they were saying
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
that they are going to Obinze.
Yes, sir.
How to catch them is not mounting on them.
Okay.
They didn't push. You want to catch them, go ambush.
And they always transfer their victims at night.
By exactly around what time do they do the transfer of victims?
They transfer us at something like after 9 yesterday night.
But they are not Igbo as people want to present it. So we are surrounded. We are surrounded. Yesterday I was in Imo. Last night I was still in Imo State. A 16-year-old girl was kidnapped in Gwamnishu by these same people. The father and the girl was going home. Okada man, they went to buy what they will eat. Going back to the house. Two of them. The father said these people are not our people. The father had a fight with them. They cut him knife on his head. And then kidnap the little girl. 16-year-old girl. She's currently inside the forest with the kidnappers. I don't want to go into argument with you people with your this crime is being committed by IPOB or whatsoever. What does it give you to lie to the public? The military were there, they saw it. The local security, all of them were there. I'm going to drop voice note too. Also, now, this is the voice note. Listen to this voice note and tell me what they are speaking. Is it Fulani, Hausa, or Igbo?
All right, this is from Harrison, Gwamnishu. Now you can see this is Hydra satellite voice capture. Do you understand? I don't know what is the problem of our people, and people are not paying attention to it. You know, when they said gentle, ESN, Umoma, Simon Ekpa, Mazamukan, people may not take it serious. They may say, yeah, it's true, it's true, it's true. But Obatimi, Obatoaya, what do I mean by that? Now they are not moving that is, they are not saying narrative that is Igbo. From Biafra agitators, ESN, Mazamukan, oh no, from Biafra agitators to Simon Ekpa, ESN, VLA, Umoma, now is Igbo people. So even you, obedient. In the world of Udele, that you guys are clapping king of game, you also a terrorist, you a kidnapper. That's what he wanted. He want the world to see. But the real problem is coming, and that is why he's fighting Harrison. Ordinarily, if let's just ask yourself this question: if he's actually care about you, like he's fighting against security, truly, if Harrison, you know, carry out his job, what he's doing in Igbo land, why will he be a problem to Udele and his people? When I play his video, you heard him saying that Ike Guraga has stepped up for his own state, Anambra State. What is Ike Guraga doing? To make sure that anybody that have a voice or you have strength, you can stop Fulani people, you want to do something, they will label you a drug dealer, label you a criminal kidnapper, label you everything. Use Igbo recruited you, they gave army, they gave weapon under the instruction of the current governor of Anambra State. They will use those ones to torture you to stupor. Somebody called me and told me from Anambra State that Anambras are now praying that if I thought that they must be involved in any, if I thought they will be maybe in the net of any armed group, that please let it be in hands of Nigerian army. That they prefer to have issue with Nigerian army that are evil to compare Udogachi, Ndakodo, all these different names they have there. They prefer to have issue with Nigerian, like to have issue to be in the hands of Nigerian army, because this Igbo recruited group that governor, Anambra State government have armed and made them, you know, to be more powerful than anything, that they can buy any Igbo man. In fact, as long as you're an Igbo youth and they report to their net, they can buy you according to the person allegedly. They will not hesitate. That at least Nigerian army will give a kind of benefit of doubt to even do something against you, that kind of thing. When you imagine that kind of mentality that you prefer to be in the hand of Nigerian army, this will tell you that the torture and wickedness in so-called Igbo vigilante, aka Ndako and Udogachi, Bubago and the rest of them, they will treat it like an animal. Now, this is Harrison, like I said, responding to what Udele did or what he said. Now, I want you also to let's go through the write-up, because he also said something here, as you can see on in this post. Let me see if you can increase it. Okay. So Harrison, as 14 hours ago, as you can see, he said, "Do not accuse your own people of heinous crimes simply to satisfy those pushing a particular ideology or narrative. Watch this video carefully, the video that we just played now, okay, and listen to the victims themselves. Those men that you saw in that video that that sat on the floor, that sit on the floor, you see them. They are the one. These are people that are victims. They kidnap those ones. They just rescue them from these Fulani people." He said, listen to the victim themselves, identify armed kidnappers terrorizing some communities in Imo State. I also attached voice recording, which I played to you, captured while the criminals were still inside the forest. My only regret is that none of them were captured alive or neutralized, so the world will clearly know who they truly are. I will never be part of twisting facts or manipulating real issue to gain favor. Okay, that's from Harrison. The last time in Enugu State, the army released reports alleging IPOB involvement. I immediately disagreed because from what we saw on ground, it was not true. I reported that issue. Those arrested with the ransom money were not IPOB members. At this difficult time, may God save us all, because many people are suffering and losing hope. This from Harrison. He's being careful and he chose his word carefully, unlike what Udele. You see how he was right, threatening him, and we will face one-on-one. He did. See, as an Igbo man, no jihadist enablers. Otherwise, you will learn in a hard way, like Verdaba normally said that. You will learn in a hard way, and you actually made yourself available to learn new things, which you may not like to be part of, but you have to do something now to avert it. God bless you for taking your time. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me your ear on this particular information. Make sure you like it and share it on many platforms of your choice. And let me know what you think about all of this course so far. So many things to extract from this two videos. But many of you Biafrans already know who is who. But if you are just new, this is time for you to recondition your mind and, of course, adjust your attitude to know that those of them calling names, this, that are just jihadist enablers. Thank you so much and God bless you. Happy weekend. Bye-bye for now.